Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will deassembly and see inside Makita 40 volt mag charger. Yes, now I charge it with the battery, and I will disconnect electric plug and start the assembly. Let's start. Yes, disconnect. Remove the battery, and I use Makita impact driver 40 volt mag to loosening the screw. Yeah, this is the model of Makita charger 40 volt mag DC 40 OA, and he also have check out the lever to rotate the screw and body. Take it out, and I use speed number 1. Yeah, very fast. Okay. I change to this side, easy to see. Yeah, rotate it. You can see it. A different from 18 volt. This is the battery terminal connection here. And a cooling fan. Here, cooling fan. He also have, so it have 2 cooling fan to release temperature inside and make the battery cool down and charge it fast. For 18 volt have only 1 fan and different circuit board. It's very nice. I think it have technology and the good electronic component. That's why Makita is the best. So I assembly it back. Yeah. Easy. Yes. Okay. 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 Put the lever. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I will connect the electric plug. Yeah, it's still working. So I can put the battery. Yeah. The battery is charged. Thanks for watching. If you have any comment or want to see any model of 40 volt mag, you can comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.